This is Bicol University.
Physical education is a time for movement in the classroom or on the field. But when the pandemic struck, everything changed. Over 25,000 students across 7 campuses moved online, and so did physical education. E-learning in physical education means taking health and fitness learning beyond the using digital platforms like Google Classroom, Zoom, YouTube, and mobile apps. PE classes continued virtually. Students followed workout videos, recorded their own activities, and submitted online. Instead of whistles and live music, there were video links, uploaded lessons, and online submissions. It was a new way of learning, but the goal stayed the same: to stay active, healthy, and engaged. Yet the transition wasn't easy. Not every home had a space to move or the internet to connect. Teachers and students struggled and faced difficulties. It was a challenging shift for both sides of the screen. But PE teachers and students found creative ways to keep moving. Household items became gym equipment, water bottles as weights, chairs for stretching and swimming drills. Teachers prepared flexible workout plans, dance routines, and fitness games that students could do at home. Students learned to be self-directed and resourceful. PE became personal. While nothing can replace in-person physical education, e-learning brought significant benefits. Students and teachers could choose the time, pace, and the type of activities that are best for them. For some, it became a family affair. Looking ahead, the future of physical education is not just online or offline, it's both. Physical education in digital age has proven something. Movement is not limited by courts, fields, or classrooms. It lives in our choices. Because physical education isn't just a class, it's a way of life.